Welcome back to Lite Investor Analysis Space, which has 5 pages. We're going to take a look at investor to start with. The whole idea with this particular space is to focus on the investor and look at the portfolio, look at the more information about investors, how to filter into investors, etc. So if you go and select a particular VC, let's say Angel Co-Fund, for example. So we have a number of deals, in this case, 3 companies. We have a lot more data, but we are taking time to add them. So quickly you could see company house data, etc. If we go to companies, now again, we can select the investor. Let's say Amadeus. Again, we got few deals here. And as you select the deal, you could see the company information, but also you could see the company's own funding history. If you then come back to deals, you could select the deals based on a period. So if you look at this week, you could select a deal and then immediately see the investors. So for example, if you look at what's the company here, Limitless. So you could see it's defaulted onto Redline, but if you're going to click here, you could see Genesis has invested, also Unilever. So these are obviously not traditional VCs, but corporate venture arms. But you could see the more information about them, portfolio, etc. If we come to list, you could go and filter based on industry, for example. So if I go and say, show me fintech companies, fintech investors, you could see some of them who has invested into fintech companies. Passion Capital, very popular, quite a number of deals. Then if you select the particular deal, Fronted, I don't know them, but you could actually start to see some of the company information. If you go to list, this is the lazy person's screen. You could preset, you could filter them, and when you come back, the same information get displayed. But if there's, since your last visit, if there has been some new companies or VCs added, then you could actually see them here as well. So the filter, you could filter in many different ways. That's a quick insight into Lite investor analysis. Thank you.